Hey everyone, welcome to the ICS Tech channel. Today we're diving into the top 6 best 4K home security camera systems, the ultimate tools to protect your home, family and property. Whether you're worried about package theft, want to keep an eye on your pets while you're away, or just want complete peace of mind 24/7, a reliable 4K security camera system can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 6 systems based on video quality, installation simplicity, smart features, storage capacity, and overall value. From budget-friendly setups to advanced AI-powered systems, we've got something for every home and every budget. You'll find links to all the featured camera systems in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for the latest deals and discounts. Now, let's get started and find the perfect 4K security system for your home. Number 6. OOSSXX Outdoor Home Security Camera System. The OOSSXX Outdoor Home Security Camera System offers excellent value for a 4K setup. Equipped with 8.0 megapixel Ultra HD cameras, it delivers sharp, crystal-clear video both day and night. The 130-degree ultra-wide lens covers a larger area, reducing blind spots, while the IP67 waterproof build ensures consistent performance in any weather. It features built-in microphones for one-way audio via the OOSSXX app, and installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play PoE system and included 60-foot cables. AI-powered human detection minimizes false alerts by distinguishing people from animals or moving objects. With a pre-installed 4TB hard drive, it can store up to 60 days of recordings, making it an ideal pick for users who want reliable protection without overspending. Number 5. ZOSI 4 KPoE4 Cam Security Camera System. The ZOSI 4 KPoE4 Cam system offers crisp Ultra HD footage that captures fine details like faces and license plates without distortion. Its night vision range extends up to 100 feet in total darkness and up to 200 feet in ambient light, keeping your home secure at all times. The PoE setup combines power and video in a single Ethernet cable for easy installation, while custom motion zones let you focus only on important areas. You'll get instant alerts through the ZOSI Smart app, and the Smart Light Alarm adds an extra level of deterrence. With a 2TB hard drive and support for USB or external backups, it's perfect for 24/7 monitoring and remote access, wherever you are. Number 4. Arlo Ultra 2 Security Camera System. The Arlo Ultra 2 stands out as a premium wire-free 4K camera system built for flexibility and smart integration. It delivers sharp 4K HDR video with color night vision and an auto zoom and tracking feature that follows moving objects intelligently. With local storage via the Arlo Smart Hub and optional micro SD card, plus cloud storage through Arlo Secure, you have flexible backup options. Smart notifications identify people, vehicles, packages, and animals to minimize false alerts. It offers long battery life, supports Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings, and delivers a seamless wireless experience for modern smart homes. Number 3. Swann 4K Ultra HD Home Security Camera System. The Swann 4K Ultra HD DVR system includes 8 cameras and an 8-channel DVR, providing full coverage for large properties. Its true detect heat and motion sensors ensure accurate alerts, while powerful night vision works up to 130 feet in black and white or 32 feet with warning lights. The 2TB hard drive supports 24/7 continuous recording and cloud backup via Dropbox. Integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Chromecast allows you to stream footage or receive notifications directly through voice commands. With robust build quality and heat-sensing spotlights, this system is built for serious security performance at home or in the office. Number 2. UFICAM S330 Security Camera System. The UFICAM S330 combines cutting-edge features with complete data privacy. No monthly fees required. It captures 4K resolution with Starlight photosensitive technology for vibrant, colorful night footage. Each camera is powered by an integrated solar panel, delivering forever power with just a couple of hours of sunlight per day. The Bionic Mind A. Eye provides facial recognition to differentiate family members from strangers and lets you set custom activity zones. You can communicate through two-way audio, and with IP67 waterproofing plus a 135-degree wide-angle view, it's a durable, smart and self-sustaining system, ideal for any outdoor setup. Number 1. Reolink Smart Home Security Camera System. The Reolink Smart Home Security Camera System, model RLK 8-520D4-5MP, takes the top spot for its unbeatable combination of performance, reliability, and smart functionality. Its 5-megapixel cameras with advanced IR lights provide sharp footage up to 100 feet, even in total darkness. With smart person and vehicle detection, you'll only get alerts that matter. The plug-and-play PoE setup makes installation simple, and the system includes a 2TB hard drive, expandable up to 12 terabytes. It's compatible with up to 12 MP Reolink cameras, whether PoE or WiFi, and is built to handle extreme conditions with IP67 weatherproofing. Instant alerts via buzzer, email, or app notifications keep you updated wherever you are, making it the most complete and reliable option on the market. So that wraps up our list of the best 4K home security camera systems this year. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your favorite pick or any questions you have. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching. This is ICS Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.